Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to check all the follow requests you've sent on Instagram, especially after the latest update. If you're curious to find out how to do this, make sure to watch until the end. So, to get started, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your phone. First, tap on your profile icon, and then tap on the three lines in the top right corner of your screen. This will open the menu. Next, select your activity from the list. Now, here's the thing. Instagram doesn't have a direct option to see the follow requests you've sent in this section, even if you search around. But don't worry, there's still a way to access this info. What you can do is tap on Download Your Information. This will allow you to request a complete copy of all your Instagram data, which will include the follow requests you've sent. Simply submit the request, and Instagram will send a file to your email. Once you receive the file, you can open it and search through the list to find all the users you've sent follow requests to. From there, you can even cancel any follow requests you no longer want by searching for their usernames. And that's it. I hope this helps you keep track of your follow requests on Instagram. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.